biochar is the most absorbent natural fiber known to man. The surface area of this pot of biochar would cover a football field. All the nooks and crannies. It's the most absorbent. It's used medicinally to clean out toxins out of the body. It will absorb toxins. And the Gulf oil, it is, in my opinion, is the best, the cleanest way of cleaning up the oil spill in the Gulf. Let's give you a demonstration here. As the oil is hit the Gulf, there's your oil spill. You go in with your biochar and you spread it on the oil. It's a non-sterile, non-toxic. It cannot harm the ocean in any way. It's been sterilized in a pyrolysis system. Everything in it is non-biodegradable. It's carbon, pure carbon, the most healthy thing on the planet. Now, it floats, it will soak it up. Here we are, this is a day of soaking. As you can see, the oil mass, there was a lot more. Nearly a quart of oil was put in here, and enough biomass that soaked up all the oil. And now all is a matter of going in there and scooping it up, leaving the water behind. The oil is impregnated. All this oil can be recovered. So therefore the recovery effort in the Gulf need not be all one way. Perhaps as much as 80% of the money can be recovered, or the oil at least. So attacking it while it's in the ocean is the best result. If it has already hit the beach, biochar, we've already done this in the experiment yesterday. By this, we poured oil on the sand here, and we put this biochar on yesterday, and it soaked up all the oil. Oil is now in here. There's still oil left on the beach, and the object there will be, once we've cleaned it up like this and cleaned up all, this will be, and this is all recovered, all can be recovered in the refinery. Put more biochar down. That will continue to soak up residual oil left in the sand. And you keep doing that until the sand's clean. So biochar is the finest way to do it. The absorption quantity, we haven't not really got an exact equivalent of the amounts, but we put in a quart of heavy grade oil in this canister and a quarter pound of biochar. The quarter pound of biochar has soaked up all of that quart. It's completely, there's nothing, it's all now impregnated. All the oil is in the biochar. So again, this can be recovered quite easily off the beach, and it can be refined and the oil recovered. And you still have oil impregnated biochar which can be used as a fuel. So that's the answer. We'll be sending this in as one of there are 87,000 standing tons of unsold alfalfa in our valley. There's more in Amargosa Valley. All the valleys they have been unable to sell the alfalfa. So we have the biomass, a year's worth of biomass already available. Perhaps almost 500,000 tons. All we need are some commercial kilns, and we can do 40 tons per day per kiln. So the more kilns we put in, the more tons we can give. So we can start delivering biochar. If we can install the kilns within a month, we can start delivering biochar on the Gulf within 2 months. Perhaps sooner if there's a real emergency and everybody jumps in and says, okay, this is the answer. So we'll be posting this on the web. We'll send it through to the Senate and whoever else, whatever other channels we can forward the idea up. I'm sure there are many people throughout the country. This is Nevada. This is a contribution the state of Nevada can do. It is a win-win for everybody because the farmers right here are hurting. The money that's going to be used for the cleanup of the spill, it's all good money. A lot of it's going to come back. It's circulating the economy, so it's a really good way to go. And hopefully each state has their own solution and all states can pile in with their own ideas.